Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy Todgy Gray and welcome to another episode of Quick View. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below so that anytime a new video is released, you're going to be updated instantly. On this episode of Quick View, I want to share with you 5 of my favorite Android home screen setups. Now, I did put in a lot of effort in creating all these home screen setups and I just hope you guys are going to love them. So I actually use 5 different Android home screen launchers, some icon packs, different wallpapers, and tons of widgets. And yeah, so it's gonna be fun, it's gonna be interesting. And I hope, after this video, you'll be able to tweak your home screen to something similar or something that you like from this video. Without further ado, let's jump into the video. This first setup is a good looking setup, customized on top of Evie launcher and contains a lot of informative text. At the top, we have a fuchsia for KWGT widget which displays the time, day, upcoming calendar events, battery status, network status, and weather information. Also, it has icons of Twitter, YouTube, and Instagram, so you can easily have access to these apps. This widget nicely displays everything in text, so if that's what you're into, you're really going to find this widget very useful. The name of the icon pack used on this setup is Lite. It has a pleasant looking flat style icon going for it, and I grouped apps I used the most into folders in order to get easy and fast access. I love this minimal music widget from Fuchsia for KWGT. It shows you what's playing without obstructing your view of the wallpaper. I chose a dark and orange wallpaper because it helps in making all the info on the home screen easy to read. Now let's head to our next home screen setup. My second home screen setup is a very minimal one. This setup is customized on top of the launcher. For the main widget at the top, we have a fuchsia for KWGT widget, which shows us the day, weather conditions, and time. I'm a fan of the typography font used in displaying the day. The icons used in this setup are from the enix icon pack, and these icons are personally one of my favorite looking icons. They are distinctive and colorful and also have a classic two-tone look. The icons appear in a 3x3 format without app names in order to achieve this minimal look. At the bottom of the screen, we have a set widget from Fuchsia for KWGT, which looks unique and colorful as well. The wallpaper gives it a very nice look, which also brings out all the colors and details in the setup. Try it out and let me know what you think. The third home screen is a neon-inspired home screen setup. This setup was customized on top of the Poco launcher. At the top, you'll find a fuchsia for KWGT widget, which showcases the time, day, battery capacity, weather conditions, and the song playing as well. The icons on the home screen are from the LineBit icon pack, which has a lot of neon vibe if you're into that. At the bottom, we have a KWGT search widget from Magenta. Dark backgrounds easily work with neon setups, and this is no exception. I recommend this as an ideal home screen setup if you have an OLED display. Do check it out and let me know below. The fourth setup is customized on top of Hyperion launcher. Now this setup among the others uniquely stands out to me. We have the main widget from Huck KWGT, which gives us information on the day, time, upcoming calendar events, battery capacity, and weather conditions. I really love the layout of this widget and how spaced out it is. This helps to easily read needed information. The icon pack used in this setup is the voxel icon pack. It has a boxy look and an array of colors, simply nice looking and easy to see. At the bottom, you'll find a music widget from the ornate KWGT, which has a boxy look to match the icon pack as well. Finally, you have some green in the wallpaper to give the setup a glamorous look. The last home screen setup is customized on top of CPL launcher. At the top, you'll find the main widget from Feast KWGT, which gives you easy access to Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, the day, time, location, and weather conditions as well. Right after the main widget, we have a music widget from the Andromeda KWGT pack, which looks awesome. The icons here are from the Splendid icon pack and they look lovely. The setup has a dark forest wallpaper with some nice looking landscapes. The overall look is amazing and I can't wait for you to try it out. Hey, so thanks for watching this episode of Quick View, and I'm going to drop links and information on everything I did speak about in the video in the description box, so make sure to check it out. Let me know which of the home screen setups was your favorite, and if you do have any suggestions, let me know in the comment section down below. And if you enjoyed this series of videos I'm making about Android home screen launchers and about tweaking, customizations, icon packs, wallpapers and all that, let me know as well in the comment section down below. It's your boy Soji Gray, and I hope you really enjoyed this episode. I'll catch you in the next one. Stay blessed.